Welcome to my channel. My name is Virginia, and I am going to show you how to embroider a bookmark. I'm sorry, I'm not sure where the design came from. It's a design I've had for a long time, and I'm not sure where it came from. So I apologize. I've had a few computers take a dump on me and I had them backed up, but I didn't have them backed up under certain folders where they were purchased. So if you recognize it, please throw it in the comments, but I'm going to show you step by step how I make bookmarks. And at the end, I will show you the done product. So next, you're going to see, I'm going to put up in the corner here, the design I'm doing on my computer, a picture of it, so you know what design is supposed to look like, and then you will see how I do it and what colors I make it. So go ahead. Next thing you'll see is the videos. I am going to hoop this wash away. I'm going to put it down here. This, after you've done the design on it, embroidered it, put it in water, just soaks, bubbles up and dissolves. So, and your design's still there. Now I'm doing this way because on the bookmark, I want to make sure this is really tight in here. I'm going to tighten it down a little bit. Get all these little ovally areas out so it's really smooth. We're going to tighten it down really tight. And it's super tight. It doesn't make a noise. And I apologize because it's just a water-based. It will, like I said, washes away. And then on top, I'm going to use organza, and I'm going to float it. Okay? And it's going to be 2 layers of it to make this bookmark. Now, I will show you that when I put it in the machine. I'll put this on, and then we'll go ahead and start it up. As you can see, I put my white bobbin in. That will not show through. It's on the top. First thread we're going to start with is a black. But I'm going to go ahead and get the machine engaged. Okay, it's going to tell me insert the hoop. And I'm going to take the hook-ons off. Okay. And now let's go ahead and thread the machine. I'm just going to put that off to the side. And it's going to thread itself. Okay, at this point, we're going to put the material on. And we're going to float it. That's what this is called. Okay, so we're just going to float this material. We're going to tell it, yes, we've started the design. We're going to tell it to start. Now I'm going to put my hand to just smooth it out. Okay, now I'm going to take it off the machine and cut as close to this with duck scissors, and I will be right back. So we're on to the second collar. I already put the thread on the machine. So here we go. And we're on to the next color. So I removed the jump stitch that occurred earlier because it makes it easier as it embroiders for me to cut them out. Put the next color on and here we go. Okay, see how there's a lot of jump stitches? I like to stop and remove them It just makes it much easier because it's down here where I can reach it, and it won't be under the presser foot, which this would be your presser foot. And I will go ahead and start it again. I know there's another jump stitch. So I'm going to remove those jump stitches because I don't know where it's going to end in the long run. So since I can get to them now, I'm just going to cut them, get them out of the way. Not easy, it's time consuming, but when they create these designs with jump stitches like this, it does make it much better. You don't have so much breakage of the threads. And now we're going to start the next color. Next color. I'm going to put the material on that's going to go on the back. Just going to slide it under here. And it's a thin material, so it will fit under here, and it won't make the bookmark really bulky. And let me do this. Let's see. On a Husqvarna Viking Epic, the bobbin does not cut until it gets to the end of the design. So with that said, it was still there. So I just made it cut it so it wasn't there. I will go ahead and put that like so. I apologize for that. And the material is facing down. So now I'm going to go ahead and start this back up. So I've stopped the machine at this point because I'm going to cut that material off before it does the binding. So I don't have to try to cut it as close to the threads as I can. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. So I have changed the bobbin to black thread so it matches the top thread. And I cut as close as I can, if I could get this, to the edges for the bookmark. So, and I apologize, I'm looking, I can't see if I'm getting it view, but you will see the done product. So I'm going to put it in here, like so. And I'm really careful with my machine. And then grabbing the tail and starting back up. Now I'm going to stop it. I'm going to cut this thread that just came off of there. And there you go. And it is completed. So, completed the bookmark. I hope you liked it, that it wasn't too boring for you. And if you have any questions, please send me a comment. But here is the done product. It is a little wet. I washed it. And then here's the back. The material added. So you don't see all the designs. It will dry in time. It's a little wet, but that's okay. I just wanted to get this out so you guys can see it. But if you have any questions, please, like I said, comment, like, and if you could, subscribe. Thanks. Talk to you later.